Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris. Chances inside playing Roblox. We're going to do a hot video today. Because I've only been out here for like 2 minutes and I'm burning up. Anyway, we're going to do some rubber replacement on Edna. And the first thing we're going to do is put on these. These are just some simple rubber for Edna's door handles. These are made by Dennis Carpenter, and I actually bought them through early Ford V8 sales in Piedmont, South Carolina. And this is just a quick, easy thing that you can put on your truck with no real issues. It's pretty simple, actually, to do this. You just have to remove your door handle and slip it on. And to do that, all you need is a flat-headed screwdriver. Get your door open right here. In here is just a little flathead screw that holds in door handle. So all you gotta do is just pull that little screw out. It's so bright out here, I can't see what I'm doing. Seems like one of those situations where there's a high probability of dropping the screw inside the door. There. Yep. See if we can push that through without going into the door. So there's our door handle out nice and simply. You can see a little bit of the remnants of the original gasket right there. Not much left to it. Let's see if we get this screw out without dropping it. Oh yeah, there we go. Perfect. Let's see if we can do a quick cleanup on this handle just because it looks kind of nasty. Take the carb cleaner, get your towel wet, and we're going to get this cleaned up in here because that just kind of looks nasty.
With what? What do I make it wet with?
The carb cleaner.
Oh.
Carb cleaner cleans everything.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
I'm done playing Roblox now. I want to be in the video. How much?
Enough to make it wet.
That should be good.
Jenks.
What is it? It's all over my hand.
Alright, now clean that up before it dries up. The dirty part that you just put your hand on.
Okay. Is it gonna make the rust go away?
No, but it's kind of gummy all through here and stuff. So we might as well clean it up while it's off.
Is this one yours?
Yeah.
don't think I got this side very well. Ah! I think I almost got it in my eye. Would that be bad?
Probably.
Would it, like, burn?
It'd burn, yeah.
What would we have to do?
Take you to the emergency room and have them remove your eye.
Actually?
Camera died on us, but we got that nice and clean now. No longer all greasy looking. Now we just need our new rubber.
I'm Batman.
All right, here's your handle. So you need to take one of those and slip it on there. See the edge with the bevel sticking out? That's the cut side we're going to see. So that's the way it's going to go on, like that.
Okay.
And then you're going to put the door handle back through the hole.
This one's falling off. It fell off. All right, now what?
Is that how the door handle goes?
Oh. I can't get it in.
Let me try.
No.
There's like a little hole in there. See how it's like a square? And that square goes through the other square.
I don't see a square. Oh. It's kind of hard to see. There. It's in.
Let's see. Here, you take that. There we go. Then we're just got to center this up a little bit.
Where's the other one?
In my hand.
Is the other one going on the other door handle?
Yeah. I don't know if I mentioned, but these things were only $5, so it's not a expensive
For both of
project.
them, or
Yeah, for both
10?
of them. Yeah, they come as a set. So
for 5? I spent $2.50 on these. Or $2.50.
well, I mean, they come as a set, so you just spend $5 for the set. Now that's back in. See if we can get our screw in without dropping it in the door. Allegedly. Why is it not doing screw things? There we go. Now we got threads. Ta-da!
Cool.
Now look. Now, got a nice little bit of rubber around there. Now we gotta do the other door.
Alright, let's get this one out.
Hmm?
Let's get this one out before it gets too hot.
Yeah. Alright, you got this, dog.
What do I do?
Take that little screw out and don't drop it in the door. I'm gonna sit up here where it's a little more shady.
Do I go left or right?
What's the saying?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Right. You look so serious.
I think I got it stuck. Because I can't get it out.
Is it all the way loose?
Yeah?
Can you pull the door handle out?
No? Well, you moved the truck, so...
Yeah, it's loose. You just gotta get that out.
There we go. I got it.
Tiny fingers.
And it's back in there. And it's in the drawer. Went down the hole.
Did it drop?
Yep.
It'll be fine because we're going to take this door panel off and fix the other rubber piece too.
Does that mean we got to take this off now?
No. We're going to take this off.
This is exactly why I hate doing this.
It happens. All right, we got to get this.
Well, now it won't ever come out.
Let's get this one cleaned up. I just said we're going to take this off and get it out of there because that way we can replace the rubber right here. This was something Chance noticed getting out recently, was the door rubber. When you open the door, it's supposed to have that nice little cushy grab, but the door's opening a little too far and you just hear metal on metal. So we bought this from Coleman Farm Supply up the street in hopes that we could make that work for this. We're going to find that out once we get this other handle done. Well, Chance is over here getting this cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and take off that door panel. I'll take that. Just take each one of these screws out, don't drop anything.
Got it. Let me get that out.
Good job. Now, how do...
Let's get the screw now.
Is it down here in the bottom of the door? Get away from me, butterfly!
No.
It's not like down over here somewhere. Can you see in there?
Kinda. A bit hard.
So it's still up here somewhere then, I guess. Really hot inside this door. Can you see my finger? Through the hole?
Yeah.
You can?
Go more this way. Yeah, right there. Now go down.
Yeah, feel the screw. I got it. Almost.
Get it?
Ta-da!
Good job.
Alright, now let's see what we can do about this thing. Yeah, that rubber fell off for sure. What's left of it? What is in here? Ugh.
Ew. Is that hair?
I don't know what that was, but it was gross. Yeah, that's what's left of the old one.
It's hot out here, Dad.
Yeah, it is.
Let's stop searching and get this what we're supposed to be doing.
Well, we're going to change out your rubber thing.
Today?
Yeah, it won't take but a few minutes.
This video?
Yeah. The old door clip.
Are you almost done? It's hot out here.
I don't know how to change this thing. Let's go look at some pictures.
Okay. Let's do this. Now what?
Alright, we're going to put our handle back on. We're going to skip this for now, because my plan was to use this part and just basically put it on there, but I have to come up with a way to cut a slit all the way through it, which I could do with a whole bunch of drilling and stuff like that, but nothing that didn't seem overly complicated to try to save a couple bucks. So we're going to go back to putting our handle on for now with the new gasket.
Does it go this way?
Yeah, you need the new gasket.
It's over there where I put it. Do I put the lettering?
Yeah, remember the little lip goes out. Seems off. Oh, this is on backwards. Next one go that way. Just gotta have our hole facing the right way.
I did it this time.
Good job. And it's all nicely seated around the thing, so we just gotta put that screw back in. Where's the screwdriver? Oh, it's over there.
Can I do it?
Think you can get it in there without dropping it in the hole?
Let's hope. Here, you take the camera.
Well, at least the door panel's already off if you drop it.
Yeah. Where's the hole? I feel like I'm not even putting it in the thing. Perfect. I don't think it's tidying.
Did you say tidying?
I said tidying.
It is. I think it is.
I don't feel like it. Is it getting tighter?
I don't know. No.
Is it even in the
Here,
hole?
you hold that. Let me see what I can see.
This is kind of bad. I don't even know where to put it.
Yeah, getting it started properly seems to be kind of an issue. I wonder if this is the right screw for it, because I think the other one was longer.
Is it in there?
Yeah, but I pinched it a little bit right here. See where that's not quite out all the way? I'm going to loosen it. Push up on it a little bit.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Tighten it.
Ta-da!
Well, actually close it. Alright, now we gotta put that back in. Ooh, that's hot. Put my leg on that. Oh, I guess we gotta get this first.
Yeah.
Can't do anything without this.
I think I want to take the visors and get the plaid put on those too.
What visor?
Here, I'll take it.
Thanks. Don't we have to change this to like tidying?
Yeah, push the button on this side.
What button? Oh, that?
Yeah.
So now it goes like the opposite way.
Mm-hmm. Remember, don't pull the trigger too hard because we're just going in with it. We don't want to strip anything out.
Mm-hmm.
Just pull a little bit.
That good?
Yeah. All right. Let's get the other top one so it'll be sitting in where it needs to be. Remember, you want to make sure when you drill, see you're kind of coming down at it like this. You want to make sure you're down like this so you're going in straight.
Okay. Now we can do the middle one?
Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Or don't pull it too fast.
Okay.
We're all done.
Okay. That's going to be it for this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. I wish I could be here for the intro. I think I was busy.
Let's see.
But I did have a great time putting the doors back together. I'm happy my dad let me do the work because it was kind of fun. I think I messed up with that nail part trying to get into the door like twice, right?
No, you were fine.
Yeah, well, the first time I kind of missed it, and then the second time I just couldn't aim right.
Proper aiming is key.
Yeah. But it was fun. So that's gonna be it for this episode. We are going to be doing another video. Well, he will. I won't. He will be doing another video this weekend. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.